documentary of the wild John Baines in his natural habitat.
He's in hibernation right now. If you go in the cave, you can hear him.
He will literally rip your bloody head off. I should go in then. It's so dark you can't see anything.